Hey tubes, what's up? Well, thank you so much for tuning today's awesome vlog. If you're curious on what I'm doing today in my awesome room, we got a product unboxing. It's a brand new set of LED strip lights you can use for your PC, or you can use this for all different projects if you choose to use. And basically that's what this little box is basically, and we're going to take a look at what it is basically. Some information on the side, some information here. It's not too bad for a small little box, but basically we're going to take a look at it. But yes, you can use this for your computer. Now you're going to say, Chris, you don't have a case that has a clear side panel. That's okay, because guess what? It can illuminate through some of the venting holes inside the case, and that's okay by me. But I got a different idea what I want to use these LEDs for. Basically, I want to illuminate my under cabinet, basically with my VCR and Bose unit. But let's get to the unboxing of it, shall we? And let's have some awesome fun. Here's the box on my desk, and of course I need my knife to crack it open, should I say, basically. Of course we got a seal right here. Basically we need to slice it open. Make sure you cut away from yourself when you're doing any type of unboxing style vlogs, basically. Of course, we got self-instructions. We don't need those. Basically, that's what it looks like. That is so cute. A remote. That's even more awesome. There's LED strips themselves. That's cool. And I think this is the module right here. And yes, it is. That's kind of cute. Awesome. Looks like we got a Stendhal. And a SATA power. Awesome. Sorry guys and girls, it's no way for me to physically test it right now because I need a power supply from my computer to able to test these LED strip lights. But basically, this is what it all looks like, what comes inside this small package. You get two LED magnet strip lights. You get the power brick with the connectors. You get a power cable. You get the extender cable. You get the remote and also the instructions. Now this looks like it would take a little connector here if we can plug this into something different. But you gotta notice the voltage on it, on the power unit itself. It should work just fine, even without using the SATA power cable. But hey, you know what? Hey, it's all good. But I know it should work because I bought this brand new anyways. But I'm going to have to test it off camera and see if it works on my computer. But basically, this is just the unboxing of this small little unit. And not too bad, basically. And it looks pretty nice, should I say. Very misleading information on the actual power brick itself. Make sure you actually look at your instructions and read your instructions. Do not follow what this here says. Okay? It says 5 volt equals plus 24 volt DC input and also DC output. No, do not hook up a 5 volt power supply to this because it's not going to work. do not hook up a 24-volt system. You might try this controller itself and you don't have your LEDs. Make sure you read your instructions. I don't know if you can see it. It requires 12-volt DC to power the power brick and the LEDs. And it's like, oh, that's why. Means, yes, you can use this type of a cable here to power it. Or you can use a different type of a power source, basically. But do not read the information on this controller itself. Basically, what's the controller have? We got these two connectors here, and we got the little sensor cable here, or the I/O sensor thing here, for your remote. But alright, if you guys and girls are supporting this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Leave an awesome comment down below. Please like, please share. Peace out. We'll hopefully see you in the future vlog. And have a nice day. Thank you for watching.